What's going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, as you can guess behind me, concrete. Today is floor pour day. We're pouring the floors for the Barndominium. So that is what is happening today. I'm excited about it. I'm nervous about it. As you know, if you've been following on the channel, been working on this Barndominium and also working on this house here. This is my main house, and that's my in-laws' Barndominium. And yeah, we're getting it done. And a little nervous because I did the PEX tubing, the radiant heat in floor, right in slab heat, and I've been having issues with the manifold leaking in like where the pressure gauge is. I took that out, and then I readjusted that. It was good. Then the actual pressure gauge itself got faulty and it leaked, and so that was bad. So then I just got a plug and I plugged that spot, and that plug was leaking this morning. So I don't know what's going on with that. I mean, the good thing is that part of the manifold is going to get cut off anyway. It's just for when we're pouring and testing and pressurizing the system. So I don't know, but it is good now. I checked it again. I sprayed it. I tightened it. No bubbles. So we're good there. I'm just hoping there's not a kink or anything in the PEX or anything got punctured. We found, we'll have to figure that out if so, which is, once the concrete's poured, there's still pressure in the system. If there is, any sort of a leak, that's gonna show by the concrete most likely bubbling up. So yeah, anyway, things are crazy. It's I'm not even doing the work here with the pouring the floor, and it's got me nervous. I think it's got me nervous because there's that PEX in there. If there wasn't, there's nothing really to go wrong. The plumber was out here yesterday to finally put the drains in for the floor drains in the garage. One of them he put right at floor height, which is not what we want, because we want water to go towards it. So they're building a bowl that's just going to kind of slope towards the drain. Well, they can't do that if the drain is right at floor height. So he jacked that up. So we're gonna have to, we're just gonna have to make sure, or we're gonna box around that. So anyway, I don't know. This is nerve-wracking. I don't know if I like it. Maybe I shouldn't be here. I should just be home. Anyway, let's go take a look at what they're up to.
Yep, we need to start that back corner and pull your gears up. Before we try putting anything new on the truck. What was he talking about? Form thing? So you're talking about.
Now they're working on putting in the bolts, J bolts or I bolts, or basically those bolts that go where your bottom plate is for your framing. I think they're called J bolts. And working on troweling the surface, getting it smooth, and also waiting on one more truck to come and kind of finish off that that last little bit that's not quite done, but we're getting there. I didn't see any activity in the PEX tubing, which is good. So it's still got pressure in there. I mean, if there's a leak in the PEX, it's done for. I mean, good luck trying to figure out where it's leaking exactly once this concrete cures. Now, ideally, you know, there's enough pressure in there that if we had a leak while pouring, you know, concrete would be spewing up out of the, you know, the air would be pushing the concrete up. And so we didn't see any of that, which is good. I'm happy about that, but man, it had me nervous because, I mean, I don't know. I guess that PEX is super durable and it's unlikely to ever have an issue like that, but who knows? I don't know. I get nervous with that kind of stuff, especially when it's me as the one who did it, right? But anyway, they're finishing it up. We'll take a look at it once it's done. But yeah, that's what's happening. Let's take a quick look. There you have it. The floor is poured on the barn, and I am excited about it because now we can get to framing. Plumber has to finish up one thing here with that floor drain. Unfortunately, it's so frustrating. He's probably come back like 3 or 4 different times to fix stuff. Oh, yikes. Anyway, feel free to hang out, watch the build. We got the Barndominium coming up, framing's next. They're gonna finish off the footings and everything else for the house. We're getting it done. Taking a good while, but we're getting it done. Anyway, y'all take it easy.